You know this one. Mine is proposed God is the post. First of all, welcome to the excellence of our parents on the class of the end in 2007 our school days. Namni ni karoor sa tarabitti gut. Hunda dura kabajo mati barattot habaga yana chufi samana barumsa Kenya kambar kuma torbatti sinisiga jenna. Ascending to the article 36. The Federal Constitution says that all children have full rights as young men. Kanati anse Kenyan sodomija heri federal bi Kenya daima kamumigi sa ngamufi kaba. The other, we have to conserve to have visual empowered and disabled body. Kenya murgonni daimani kanena kajaina garefin dagainefi tazuna kama kama kunusa mufi kaba. We have also vision and mission. Akasumas daiman mulata fi ergamus ni kabu. For example, my vision is doctor. How? If I work hard, then I was success. Fakayna fulan nikiya doctor ayochi me bar deni milka ha kusa saya lu barbada. Our children, parents, thank you for our attention. Kabajam mati banaso tawan na dege fatanim galatoma. My name is Fakrade. My school name is Network Academy. Makam na bamsa kiyan network jedama. Thank you for my attention.